Pin the front and back portion of the pants right side facing each other. However, do not sew from the hip to the top of the pants. You will sew the legs together starting at the inner thigh. Cut the back of your top in half. This will be the place where you sew the zipper. We are almost done with the jumpsuit. Now you will pin the top and pants together. However, do not sew the back middle, which is where you will place the zipper. Last but not least, fold in the neckline, pin the zipper, and sew. For this next DIY, you will need an overall dress to trace and pin onto your fabric. Cut out your interface or lining, iron it on, or sew it onto your dress and pockets. Last but not least, add your overalls. Fold your fabric in half and cut out the top and skirt. Pin the top to lace fabric and sew. Next, add your zipper.
They're supposed to be sleeves, but
Hey Amores, thank you so much for watching this video. Hold up, do me a favor and give this video a thumbs up.